Do you edit in Final Cut Pro and do you shoot in ProRes? And then do you have way too many gigabytes of files to manage after you're already done with the library? I think I found a fix, a workaround. There's reasons I'm shooting in ProRes that I can explain in other videos, but these like 10 or 15, maybe 20 projects took up 500 gigabytes. Oh my goodness. My working SSD is filling up and I don't want to throw away the entire library. Like some of these edits I want to preserve, but not at the cost of 500 gigabytes per 10 videos. The first thing I do is like select a file and then go up here to information just to make sure that I know what's going on. This is in ProRes and there's no proxy. So I go over here, I right click on it. I did it for every single one. That's what this is. I hit transcode media and then I say, give me H.264 please, and give it to me the same as the source. The reason this is kind of a hack is because as far as I can tell, using proxies is meant to be a way to make lower quality versions of your footage so that your computer can handle it as you're editing it with complicated effects. I'm not doing that. I'm using the proxies to compress my storage size. I selected every single video, I hit transcode media, give it to me in H.264 instead of ProRes, give it to me in the same resolution as the source, and that is an acceptable trade-off to me where I'm losing quality. It's for social media, it doesn't matter. I'll keep client files in ProRes, but like 99% of this doesn't matter. I'm losing quality, but and I'm compromising a little bit of quality for the sake of being able to store libraries and access them in the future. Oh, and don't freak out. If it's saying like files are missing, like it might do this, just go up to view and then hit proxy preferred. And if you want, you can even render something like this. It's just gonna warn you. It's gonna be like, whoa, 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 whoa. But I already did this. I already rendered it. This is an old project. I'm exporting it. And if I ever need to export it again, I'm taking the reduction in quality. It's cool. It's okay. It's fine. And the very last step is I grab a file. I see that I have both the original and the proxy. I say, hey, show me where that is. And then I just delete it. This is the folder with the 500 gigabytes. And then I can just delete the original media that I've transcoded. Once I do that, it will show me that the original media is gone. And it will be like, oh my God, oh no, oh my goodness, oh no, 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 fixed.